Hello guys, and welcome to changing the front page from a blog view to a static page by WA Courses. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can change any WordPress website from blog view to a static page via the general settings. So with the introduction out the way, let's get started with the tutorial. So first off, make sure you have a page created. So you need to create the static page itself. So we're going to click on add new. And I'm going to name this specific page over here. I'm going to name it home page. Okay. If you name this home or home page, let's just leave this as home. Okay. And click on publish. This page has to be published before you'll be able to add it as the static front page. So to do this, go over to settings, click on reading. Okay. Under settings, you get reading, and under reading, this first part here, your home page displays, make sure you have this checked here, okay, the static page. So you have to select a page for your home page. So I'm going to select what the page we created, and you also have to select a page for your post. So this is not compulsory, you can leave this unchecked, but if you have a blog and you want to select a blog page, you can do that from here, okay. So once you're done with this, just click on save changes, and let's view this and check if it's working out perfectly. So as you can see, the home page of our website, it's now a static page, which is this home. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.